Okay, well, warmer air continues to find its way across the UP. We have seen our numbers top off into the upper 40s and the lower 50s throughout the afternoon. Right now, in comparison to yesterday, look at our numbers. 22 degrees warmer in Iron Mountain, at 18 degrees warmer in Ironwood, and here in Marquette at 14 degrees warmer. So quite a bit of increase for us throughout the 24-hour period, and that's because we've seen not only just the warmer air come in, but also seen a lot of sunshine throughout the afternoon. There are a few clouds off to our north and west, way off to our north and west as you go into northwestern Minnesota and back into North Dakota, but those won't be impacting us any bit as we go on into tonight, tomorrow, or even into Saturday. But you'll notice right here, a lot of clear skies. That will mean a coolish overnight with overnight temperatures dropping off into the 30s. But looking at our current conditions, we are at 48 degrees. Winds out of the south right now at 16 miles per hour, helping to bring in more of that milder air mass. Lots of sunshine as well. Lower 50s, upper 40s for us, mostly across the UP. As you head farther to the west, though, you will notice numbers in the 60s. Ironwood right now at 66 degrees. 55 in Ontonagon, 54 in Houghton. As you head farther south, Menominee sitting at 59 degrees. And eastward, 40 still as you get some of that cooler air off of Lake Michigan coming in as you go into central and eastern UP. 46 in Munising, 46 in Manistee, 53 over into St. Ignace, and here in Ishpeming, we're at 50 degrees. Our winds coming in from the south at 15 in Houghton, 13 miles per hour in Iron Mountain, and at 12 in Escanaba. And looking at the region, you can see lower 50s and 40s across most of the UP, and some 60s as you head farther west, and more of the same as you go across the lower peninsula. So signs of spring showing up for us across the Great Lakes, and this evening it looks to be a bit cool, but numbers will be above their seasonal averages as we head into the evening. More of those clear skies will give way to, well, lots of sunshine as we go into the afternoon on Friday. More of the warmth does accompany it as well, and as we go on into the weekend, it looks to be beautiful for us with more sun and more warmth. But looking at our setup right now, you'll notice a lot of that warmth really building as you go farther to the west into the Plains states at 80s, as 80 degrees showing up into South Dakota. We don't look to warm up that much, but not out of the possibility that we could see 70s as we head into Saturday or either Sunday. But either way, that warm air continues to find its way eastward across the entire Great Lakes. Of course, right along those shoreline areas, there are going to be some cooler temperatures, but for the vast majority of us, as we go farther inland, we are going to really feel the warmth. For tonight, we're expecting very clear skies to be in place as we go into tomorrow. Mostly sunny skies do remain across the region. For tomorrow night, yes, mostly clear yet again. Maybe a few clouds trying to sneak in as we get into early Saturday, but not really seeing much. And it looks like the storm track will move off to our north. As you'll notice, yes, some pink and blue showing up into southern Ontario. But for us, we won't have to worry about that any bit. We'll dodge all of that before it starts to head its way a little farther to the south as we get closer to Monday. Maybe a few sprinkles possible, but for right now, just calling for partly to mostly cloudy conditions. 36 for tonight, cool and clear with a light breeze around 5 to 15 miles per hour. Tomorrow, another warm and sunny afternoon. Winds picking up around 10 to 20 miles per hour, but 60 showing up for a lot of us. 62 in Lawrence at 65 in Ontonagon, 62 as you head into Iron Mountain. Lower 50s in Escanaba and Manistee, 57 degrees in Munising, and topping off at 57 here in Marquette. Your forecast as we head over into the next 7 days. Friday, it looks like we're going to be at 57, 60s as we head into Saturday and Sunday, getting closer to that 70-degree mark as we head into Sunday with a low of 34 during the morning. Afterwards, we'll see our numbers start to fall back just a bit for us. Monday, we'll top off at 46 with a slight rain chance on the way for us, but that chance looks to be very small. Tuesday, we'll top off at 53 and then warming back up into the upper 50s on Wednesday before another cooler shot of air comes in as we head into next Thursday.